Brutal cold and black ice coating many roads across the area. Valley Skycam keeping an eye on I-94 right now. Traffic moving along slow, but definitely not as congested as the drive time. It does look to remain icy. We're 9 below right now. A wind chill in the FM area of 32 below. That wind still cooking at 17 miles per hour out of the north. Looking Grand Forks, a glossy looking Interstate 29 there, 11 below your temperature. Feels like 30 below, but the wind is tapered off to 10 miles per hour. A pair of 17 below readings up in our northwesternmost counties, Devils Lake and Langdon, both at that reading. This is where some of the coolest air will be barging its way in from. 11 below in Jamestown, 11 below in Detroit Lakes, and a chilly 13 below this hour in Fergus Falls. Now, you may have noticed it's warmer out in Wadena and in the Bemidji area. Right now, the winds sustained at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Still a few gusts out there, but not nearly as potent as they were earlier. Wind chills holding on to around 30 to 40 below across most of the area. It is milder out to the east, and the reason being because we have a little bit of cloudiness out there. Now, still enough wind at 20 miles per hour to kick up some light snow and dust and reduced visibilities in open country. And here's a look at that cloud deck and areas underneath this deck of clouds cooling more slowly than those out to the west and to the north where things are crystal clear. Our cold air diving all the way down south. Dallas looking at some snowflakes in the area now. That extends all the way up toward the Great Lakes region. Filtering in behind that line of precipitation is a bunch of cold air. For us, as we head to bed tonight, temperatures slip down into the teens to around 20 below for many, and for a few, a shot at 30 below to start the day. It does look like we'll have mostly clear skies. However, if this bank of clouds holds on out to the east, you could be a little milder for your Tuesday morning. Air temperatures 20 to 30 below, wind chills 30 to 45 below as you head out the door. But notice wind speeds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Now, as we go through the first half of the day, we'll see an increase in clouds up to the north and more of a southerly component to the wind and not as much of it. 15 miles per hour. And certainly at temperatures in the single digits above and below zero in your afternoon time frame, it does look like we'll still be wind chilly, but above zero, at least a chance of it for a few of us as we go through our Tuesday. So in Fargo, we start out at 20 below. Wind increases a bit, 5 to 15 miles per hour. We'll see temperatures climb to around zero in the afternoon and then more slowly fall off as we head into your Tuesday night, as that will indicate the sign of our warm-up taking place. 5 above in Jamestown on your way home from work in Roseau, 3 above, 1 whole degree tomorrow afternoon in Detroit Lakes. Here's another great shot of the Sundogs and the halo around it. This one in Ypsilanti, North Dakota. Here is a look at how warm we get for Wednesday. Much improved, 20-plus degrees warmer for a Wednesday afternoon. And we'll keep that trend going through the late work week as well. Temperatures in the 30s Thursday. Friday, I think a few of us could see some snowfall with that 37-degree day. Then the weekend comes and it's right back into some cooler air, not the cellar we're in right now. 5 above for Sunday morning's low looks quite manageable from where we are right now.
Now that's a trend we like.
Yeah, I want to get out of the cellar we're in right now.
Yeah,
Yeah,
please.
you should come out of the cellar.
Thank you.
You're welcome.